Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service Houston Galveston weather briefing. This weather briefing is going to take a look at Tropical Storm Karen now moving into the Gulf of Mexico, and then a look at the weekend cold front coming up in the next couple days. This is a water vapor satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Karen. It is centered just in the southern Gulf of Mexico with some thunderstorm activity around the center, but really it's fairly weak at this point. It looks like there's some drier air that is wrapping around into it, so it's very asymmetrical, and looks like this system will struggle to strengthen in the next couple of days as it moves off to the north. And this is the current forecast track. Looks like the system should move off to the north-northwest and then north and turn back to the northeast over the weekend. This will keep it out of the way from the Texas coast and shouldn't have very many impacts. In fact, the really only impact will be wave heights. This is a forecast map. Just to give you an idea where we are, here's Galveston Bay and the upper Texas coastal waters, and we are watching these higher swells that will be moving across into the offshore waters, mainly Friday night into Saturday. With these higher period and higher seas, we could also see rip currents develop along the coast. So again, the main two hazards from this system for southeast Texas will be the rip currents and then the higher seas in the offshore waters. Going into the weekend, this is a surface forecast map for Saturday afternoon at 1 p.m. And you can see these reds where the temperatures are in the 80s and 90s, and then the colors change into the yellows and oranges, which are temperatures in the 60s. So at this time, this is where our cold front will be Saturday afternoon, and the forecast track for Tropical Storm Karen. And then on this right image down here, here's the front pushing through. You can see those temperatures dropping off into the 60s. This is where the front will be off the coast right around 1 a.m. midnight Sunday. So going into Sunday morning, temperatures will be dropping. In fact, minimal temperature Sunday morning could be in the upper 50s for some of the northern areas, low 60s in the Houston area. There will be a slight chance of rain, but a very slight chance of rain. This is the rainfall forecast for tonight through Sunday. You can see the expected rainfall with Tropical Storm Karen well off to the east. Over southeast Texas, just again a slight chance of rain with that cold front pushing through the area. Mainly a few scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening, but really not expecting too much. So to summarize, again, the impacts from Tropical Storm Karen for southeast Texas will be mainly for the marine interests. We are expecting higher swells and perhaps some rip currents along the coast with these swells moving into the area. And then the cold front pushing through Saturday night. Again, will be one of the first fall cold fronts for our area. And as you can see, temperatures look very fall-like after Sunday. Saturday, again, very warm and still humid. But then with the front coming through Sunday into Monday, very nice temperatures. Lows on Monday morning could be quite chilly. We have not seen these types of temperatures since probably early May. So thank you for listening to this briefing, and please check back for updates.